Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a Yeardle puzzle. 3 more events that took place in the same year, and I'm going to try and guess what year that was, and hopefully do better than yesterday. The Siege of Malaga ends. No idea when that was, but it feels plausible that it would be kind of around or just before when the Spanish Inquisition was. That's when the Spaniards were fighting and crusading and things like that, wasn't it? So that would be about 400 or 500 years ago. The middle clue, King Edward VI of England. Interesting. I don't think that's saying that that guy was actually Edward VI of England, but presumably if they crowned him that in Dublin, it would have been around the time that there was an Edward V or an Edward VI in England, which would be would that be before or after Henry VIII in the 1500s? That is a very good question that I annoyingly do not know the answer to. And then the bottom clue, the Witch Hunter's Manual. Oh, I've heard of that as well, but I don't know when that was. When were the Salem witch trials? This would be presumably a bit before the Salem witch trials, to be fair. But I mean, it's published, so I wonder if that means it's going to be a bit later, because it would have to be after the invention of the printing press, possibly. It's not a guarantee though. I'm gonna guess that it's after Henry VIII and Charles's and all of that lot. So let's go 1700. Oh, I'm over 200 years ago. I'm so bad at history. Okay, over 200 years off. It's not going to be before around 13 or 1400, is it? But it's got to be before 1500. So let's just try 1380. There we go. A lot closer. We will jump by 80 years this time. Oh, I'm only going to be just over 200 years off. That's very frustrating. We'll take even smaller jumps now, of course. And I've gone the wrong way. So it's between 1480 and 1500. We'll try 85. Oh, okay. So it can be 3, 4, 6, or 7. So we'll try the even years first. That hasn't worked, but it has also ruled out the other even year, so it's got to be 87. There we go. So 213 years off on the first guess. That's worse than my average. That's bad even by my standards, because I should have known more about these events. I was torn. I knew it wasn't between about 1500 and 1650. I just didn't know whether to go slightly before or slightly after, and I guessed wrong. But I still got there in 7, so it could have been worse. Thank you for watching.